All right, we're actually here in Bakersfield, California, looking at an investment property. It is huge. It's 2 houses, and just now getting started on it. It's 2 houses on a lot, but as you see, this lot is huge. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough. It's the living room. Bathroom is, sorry, kitchen's actually coming along. Well, we have it boarded up so that protect the windows. My buddy Javier makes everything happen for us. Oh my God. I love it, Javier. This is my buddy Javier. He always makes. That's really nice. Dude, that's a really nice design. Yeah. So we have the kitchen. So there's the back house, but look at this lot. This lot is huge. I mean, tell me why you would not. We're thinking of just building a third house. I mean, look how big this is. It's like a whole bunch of it's like there needs to be another unit here. This lot is huge, Javier. It only makes sense to. This is like this is huge.
I know it's huge, huh?
You have to put something here. It doesn't make any sense.
Right in the corner, we can do another unit like that.
This is like a lot of space. Like.
Yeah. You see the bathroom?
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, it's nice. You have to put. It's so big.
Yeah, really big.
Look how big that is.
Yeah, it's a picture.
You think it'll be easy to build another unit here?
Yeah.
Like from there to like here?
Yeah, like this. Yeah. From like this, like this, in a space for the back of the jar. 5 feet. Separate 5 feet around the
yeah. It's a lot of space. That's a huge yard. It's huge. This is like really big. Well, this back unit is 1 bedroom. It needs some work, but just needs a little tender loving care. You see, the lot is freaking huge.